Master your money with these easy budgeting tips. Hi everyone, welcome back to Info Mantra. Today, we're diving into a fundamental aspect of personal finance, creating a budget. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your budgeting skills, this video is for you. You see it everywhere. Save more money, invest in your future. But no one ever tells you to manage your money to actually reach those goals. It can feel overwhelming, especially with the amount of financial information out there. That's why in this video, we're breaking down budgeting into 6 simple steps that anyone can follow. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of your finances and a plan to achieve your financial goals. Let's get started. Step 1. Calculate total income. First things first, you need to know how much money you're actually working with each month. This is more than just remembering your monthly salary. We're talking about sources of income. This includes your day job, of course, but also any side hustles you might have. Do you freelance on the weekends? Drive for a ride-sharing service? Sell crafts on Etsy? Every dollar counts. Make sure you're using your income for this calculation. That's the amount you actually take home after taxes and deductions, not your gross income. Knowing your net income gives you a realistic picture of your available funds each month, which is crucial for building a budget that actually works. Step 2. Track your expenses. Now that you know how much money is coming in, it's time to figure out where it's all going. And I mean of it. This is where a lot of people get tripped up, but tracking your expenses is absolutely crucial. Start by listing out all your fixed expenses. These are the bills that stay pretty much the same each month, like your rent or mortgage, car payment, utilities, and insurance premiums. Next, add in your variable expenses. These are the costs that fluctuate, like groceries, transportation, entertainment, shopping sprees, and those daily coffees. Don't forget those occasional expenses that pop up every few months, like car maintenance, doctor's appointments, or holiday gifts. Those can really sneak up on you if you're not prepared. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Now that you have a list of all your expenses, it's time to organize them into categories. This will give you a clearer picture of where your money is going and help you identify areas where you might be overspending. Some common categories include housing, transportation, food, entertainment, debt payments, savings, and personal spending. You can customize these categories to fit your own lifestyle and spending habits. For example, if you're a big foodie and love trying new restaurants, you might have a separate category for dining out. Or, if you're a fashion enthusiast, you could create a clothing category. The key is to be as specific as possible with your categories. This will make it easier to track your spending patterns and identify areas where you can potentially cut back. Set your budget goals. What are you hoping to achieve with your budget? Build a safety net in an emergency fund? Pay off credit card debts? Save for a house or a dream vacation? Clear goals guide your budgeting decisions. It's easier to resist impulse buys with a goal. Write down your goals and refer to them often. Chapter 5. Step 5. Create your budget plan. This is where the rubber meets the road. Create your actual budget plan. Subtract your total monthly expenses from your total monthly income. Ideally, have money left over. Allocate surplus towards financial goals. Spending more than you earn? Don't panic. Make adjustments where possible. Chapter 6. Step 6. Monitor and adjust your budget. Congratulations, you've created a budget, but your work isn't done yet. Budgeting isn't a set it and forget it kind of thing. It requires ongoing monitoring and adjustment. Life happens and your income and expenses are bound to change over time. You might get a raise, switch jobs, or experience unexpected expenses. That's why it's essential to review your budget regularly, ideally at least once a month. Check in with your spending, see if you're on track to meet your goals, and make adjustments as needed. Remember, a budget is a living document. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. The most important thing is to have a plan and be proactive about managing your finances. You've got this. Budgeting doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be empowering. By taking control of your finances, you're taking control of your future. Here are some tips for successful budgeting. Be realistic. Set achievable goals and don't be too strict. Use tools. Budgeting apps can simplify the process. Stay disciplined. Stick to your budget, especially when it comes to discretionary spending. Review regularly. Set aside time each month to review and adjust your budget. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Remember, every step you take towards financial wellness is a step in the right direction. You've got this.